Good morning, world. Good morning again to all our friends watching on onespotmedia.com. We do have an Ebola outbreak on the continent right now of Africa. I think it's Congo, and I know there is an alert, a world alert. So we need to be very careful. You know, sometimes when these things break out in countries, I really wonder if it's a conspiracy. If somebody had tried to do something. You understand what I say? These things don't just happen. But to all who've lost somebody to any kind of sickness, any kind of disease, any kind of outbreak, we're with you this morning. My people, it's Small Jamaica, live from Kingston, Jamaica. I'm Empress, yeah, and I'm here. And I want to let you know that my producer has given me some items that we must use to survive if we were ever trapped or lost in a jungle. Let's see how best we could use these items to survive for a day. So here are the items on the table. Not my notes, not my phone, not my black coffee. But she gave me a roll-up. I don't even know which brand is. One brand we use the toilet paper, Sophie. I'm not sure the brand. One brand of toilet paper me buy Jamaica, Sophie, because them Jamaican, them black, and them from Waterhouse. You don't know. All right, we're not sure that brand either. We're not sure this brand. But all right, so we have a hat, we have toilet paper, we have a straw, we have a fork, a pen, some balloon, an umbrella, a newspaper, a piece of paper, a hanger. Now I have to choose one item that I will eliminate. Oh, what may I do with the hula hoop in a jungle? What? This now make it. What? Do what with this? We can't. No, okay, we can fling the. All right, so this, we're fling it in a tree. Forget the coconut then, in a jungle. This work? Yeah? Because, we can use the umbrella forget the breadfruit outside tree, the mango, the coconut. This can work for that. So I'm going to I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This makes no sense in the jungle, right? Unless I'm just lonely and I want to work my hips. Hey, what am I going to do with this? No, I'm eliminating this immediately. No, I'm going to eliminate a few things. I don't need a hat, do I? I need a hat. Sun, cover me a little bit. Okay, I'm going to keep the hat. This roll, this not going to last, but I could use it to help light my fire, but then I don't really need that because I have paper. So if the jungle has a river, I can wash my parts after I do what I need to do. I don't need this. Do I need this? What's the use of this roll? I don't need the toilet paper either. Now, what in God's name is this for my TVJ ID? I don't maybe I need this because it's a rope. I could tie things together. Yes, I need this. Very important. Chocolate, this done one time. Better me just use this. This time you see me and yam some cereal, I'll hug me and go yam with this in the car. In the jungle, you're hungry and I'm like, hunting. This is used for many things. So an umbrella is used to cover me while I sleep. I'm going to also use it to hunt and to fish. I'm going to go into where if there's water, get the fish. Come here, little chicken, come here. Boom! All right, there you go. I'm going to kill and hunt, and you should only kill animals if you're eating it, okay? All right, pen. I'm not writing anything. However, this could be used to hunt too. You know when you're asleep and want a little bullfrog, I have to eat everything they say on bullfrog. This is a... So I go hunt with the pen. And the balloons now. What in God's name am I doing with this? Huh? Catch water? Oh, Jano Rasta. I'm going to... This will be used to catch water. You see? So you hold the water in here. So you go. When it rains now, you're out there in the rain. See me? Huh? Lord of God. Lord of God. Catch the water. You see me? All right. This now. What am I doing with the plastic for? I can eliminate this? All right, we don't need this. Plastic can do what? No, this is, that not make it. I have a straw. What am I going to do with a straw? Yes, this is like to kill the bird in the sky for them. This is how I get my bird them finiam. Yeah, that's for the bird. This no. No, this could be handy. Cause yeah, I'm not sure how. I won't be wearing any clothes, so I won't be hanging anything on this. In the jungle, we go raw. I get a little bit of leaf. This though, I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep it because I'm not sure. Because you have to improvise in the jungle. If I'm stuck in the jungle, I have the gleaner. What am I gonna do? Catch up on what's going on. Read a comic to keep me entertained. And then, I don't need it to light the fire because we can use the bark, the trees, the wood. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the newspaper, but I'm going to keep it. This paper, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna, you know, SOS. Somebody say SOS. You know, I'm gonna tell you all the secret. So I was in a girl group in Australia signed to Sony Music, right? And it was a real pop group, that real English kind of token black girl. I was in the group. And we did have a single out right after Spice Girls. And it's so funny when I thought about the SOS, the single was SOS, I need someone to rescue me. SOS, this is an emergency. So there you go, flashback. Look at that. The game that our producer gave me this morning, the game has brought back memories. Anyway, if I was stuck in a jungle, here's what I would do. I would pray. I would become one with nature. But I don't know if I want to be stuck in a jungle without people. I need people. So my people, we're done with this because I don't want to be alone in the jungle. More on Smile after the break. But first, here's the news in 5.
The sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round.